Hey, welcome back. Van here. In this video I'm going to do something really neat. I'm going to do a comparison between the Scotts outdoor cleaner for vinyl siding and concrete and all that we're going to use on the vinyl siding versus Dawn and bleach mixed together. So in this bottle right here I've got about a cup of Dawn dishwashing liquid in there with a gallon of bleach. And if you see my video on the Scotts cleaner on concrete, you'll know that I wasn't really too impressed with that. So let's try it out on this vinyl siding and see what happens. We're going to do half and half. I'm going to be using this electric pressure washer. Alright, y'all, the bleach and Dawn did really good. Now I didn't dilute that down with anything. That's just a bottle of bleach with about a cup of, well, it is a cup of Dawn dishwashing liquid in it. So I got this washed out and put this in here and give it a what for. Well, I lost the ending to the video, but as you can see, the Scotts works just as good as the Dawn and the bleach. So the decision ends up with the price and what you want to spend. The bleach costed me $1 for the gallon, and then Dawn, you know, everybody knows the price of Dawn dishwashing liquid. Anyways, they both seem to work about the same, and I'm sure everybody's going to have their own opinion on whether to use bleach and Dawn or Scotts vinyl siding cleaner. So there you go. Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. You have a good one now, and you come back. Yeah.